Understanding price actions, chart types, candlestick patterns and other important things in price action. 5. Types of trends and trend reversal. Uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Sideways, trendless, price moves within a horizontal range. Trend reversal signs. Changes in candlestick patterns. Divergence between price and indicators. Chair. Support and resistance. Support, price level where a downtrend can pause or reverse. Resistance, price level where an uptrend can pause or reverse. Sath. Breakout, retest, bounce. Breakout, price moves above resistance or below support. Retest, price returns to the breakout level. Bounce, price continues in the direction of the breakout. Art. Types of gaps, gap filling theory. Breakaway gap occurs at the beginning of a trend. Runaway gap, measuring gap, occurs in the middle of a trend, indicating acceleration. Exhaustion gap occurs near the end of a trend. Common gap usually gets filled quickly. Breakaway gap filling, when prices return to fill the breakaway gap. No. Multi-time frame analysis. Monthly, weekly, daily, analyzing price action and trends across different time frames for a comprehensive view. Higher time frames, e.g., monthly, for trend identification. Lower time frames, e.g., daily, for entry and exit points. In conclusion, understanding price action, various chart types, candlestick patterns, trend analysis, and other technical concepts provides traders and investors with valuable tools for making informed decisions in the financial markets. Stay tuned for more updates.